The all-new Škoda Slavia compact sedan has made its global debut in India. The new Slavia officially replaces the Rapid sedan in the company's lineup and is the second model to be built on the localized MQB A0iN platform. The model has now arrived in the production spec avatar, with the design mimicking that of Škoda's larger sedans, mainly the Octavia. In fact, Škoda says the new Slavia is bigger than the first generation Octavia. It will also be longer and wider than all other cars in the compact sedan segment. Distinctive design elements include the signature butterfly grille, LED headlamps with DRLs, multi-spoke 16-inch alloy wheels, and the C-shaped LED tail lights. The new Slavia will be offered in three variants: Active, Ambition, and Style. Engine options include the 1-litre and 1.5-litre TSI petrol with manual and automatic transmissions. Bookings for the new Škoda Slavia open from today onwards, and deliveries will commence in the first quarter of 2022. Suzuki Motorcycle India has launched the new Avensis 125cc scooter in the country with prices starting at 86,700 rupees ex-showroom Delhi. The new Suzuki Avensis 125 is a sporty scooter that will be sold alongside the Access 125 and the Suzuki Bergman Street 125. Power comes from the familiar 125cc single-cylinder air-cooled fuel-injected engine that develops 8.6 bhp and 10 Nm of peak torque. The scooter tips the scales at 106 kilograms. Suzuki says the new Avensis 125 is targeted at the Gen Z customer. It gets a sporty look with a muscular front apron, trapezoidal headlamp, twin LED tail lights, and the motorcycle-inspired turn indicators. It also gets a fully digital instrument console with Suzuki Ride Connect that adds turn-by-turn navigation, messages, and call alerts. There's also an external fuel filler cap, larger underseat storage capacity, a USB charger, and side stand interlock. Bookings for the new Avensis are now open, while deliveries will begin from December onwards. It's a moment of pride for CarAndBike.com as we have launched our first ever used car superstore in Delhi NCR. With the launch of this superstore, Car and Bike will bring in a phygital model for its customers. The store will cater to Delhi NCR consumers with over 100 Mahindra First Choice certified pre-owned cars from multiple brands. The Noida-based store is the largest retail store in the NCR region for any used car brand. The store is spread over 20,000 square feet and can hold up to 125 cars at any given point. The modern store will offer a holistic experience to the consumers. Additionally, consumers can also initiate the buying process on CarAndBike.com and reserve the car online. The brand also offers exclusive online-only benefits such as 2 years Mahindra First Choice warranty, free home test drive for customers, 7 days return options, guaranteed buyback, and free RC transfer. Customers can reserve the car exclusively for 48 hours from the store or from the website at any given point in time.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.